Ready, Steven?
I am.
I am too.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. So we stayed a couple more days, and Kyle invited us out to do some tuning on the jet boat. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna hit the water in just a few, but I'm pretty excited. We're just looking at it all right now and inspecting everything. You know, I've ridden in Tom's jet boat, but not Kyle, so this is pretty cool. As you can see, Steve and I went and got haircuts. We just waited for Lemulus to be over and have a little bit of time to do so. And we had this little old lady from Costa Rica, and she just went to town, and I think she did a great job. I'm feeling ultra light and good and confident, so pretty stoked about this. Guess we're gonna get this thing out now and head to the water and continue our little hot rod trip.
All right, the calibration we initially sent Kyle is a factory K-Series calibration, which took factory injectors, factory triggers, and is also set up to run the factory VTC. This calibration is available from PFI Speed for the 450, 550, or the 600. All right, so we made it to the lake. Let's get in this hot rod and let's do some tuning.
We can get it to run at least.
Yeah, we'll get her.
That's just the starter. Sounds like crap.
Yeah, it does take a bit to get RPM signal. We're still on the stock triggers, huh?
Should I try again?
Yep. There we go. So that actually is the pickups. All right. Pretty awesome.
You got it.
This is great. Still all my triggers, or did you guys take teeth off and all that stuff?
It's still stock tunes.
And you got what size injectors in this?
Thousands.
Thousands. Okay. Minus 50. Cleaned her up though. crazy.
But
We're probably gonna want
pick
You
up an extra.
wired VTC, right?
No. So it's wired, but
Yeah, we have no
we
VTC.
don't have the cam.
We have a locked
intake cam
VTC
position
gear.
sensor.
Oh, no cam gear.
Oh yeah, we put the lock gear in.
It has
Okay.
a locked VTC gear.
Okay. I was gonna try to give it some VTC to see if we couldn't get it.
Gotcha.
Pick
Yeah,
it up.
no, it's got none of that.
Okay.
It's got VTEC on it, 4700. I don't know if it needs to be lower.
I just loaded 42.
Okay.
But everything's working really good.
Yeah.
It's
At
definitely
first I was
heavier.
like throwing fuel at it because it was running like 12.8.
Right.
And then I went to the 2 table and the whole thing was set to 12.7. So
Yeah.
I changed to 11.8.
Okay. Like an idle rigid.
Well, no, just the boost stuff.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Everything below boost is still the 12, so.
Back out that way.
Pull down. Yeah, that looks so good.
Housing heated right up. I want to feel this guy. That's not too bad. A little hotter. A little hotter than we were hoping.
Just ripping, you know.
But we were just ripping and I can touch it. Way cooler than it was before.
You got a temp sensor for the intercooler stuff?
Not too bad. Go ahead and shut it.
Pretty solid. Looks good too.
Yeah,
So
looks really
you can
good.
see the ignition tables.
It's only one thing right here. On the back. Yeah, so that's the only hot part that will be there.
We can
Is
definitely
that water.
pick it up some right through here.
Oh yeah, the seat doesn't even get hot now. This stuff here, it's like, that's not even nothing.
Feel the back
It
of
was
the boat
hot
back there.
before. You got pretty warm. It's
feel
not
the
even
back.
hot.
Feel the back of the boat now. That exhaust is.
That's probably pretty hot.
Fucking hung there.
Correction, -1.2% the entire time.
Nice.
And yeah, it's 4.9, 5 pounds nonstop. And that was 14 degrees. I just upped that to like 19 at 5 pounds.
19.
Or 18, 19 degrees of timing.
Oh, at 5
At
pounds.
5
it's probably
pounds,
not bad.
yeah.
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 Okay.
That's why I said we could probably pick up a few more mile an hour.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, 4.9 to 5 pounds.
Yeah, 5 pounds.
Not even deep into the 5. It's basically 4.8 pounds the whole way.
Yeah.
So we definitely picked up a solid 5 mile an hour just with that.
Yeah, and that's nothing.
And you see
That's
the
still very
corrections
low.
beautiful.
Yeah, no, it's looking great. It
And
sounds so sick now.
Like the 14 degrees,
flooded
I would
all
think
up.
would be around 10 pounds of boost.
Yeah,
Is where I think we would be.
right.
14 degrees if we bumped it
Yeah.
up to 10.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to play with the idle a little bit now that it's hot and in the water, because trying to get it dialed in last night, it was not working.
I think after this, maybe if it feels good, I'm gonna putt to the other side of the lake. We'll go down to that dock and I'm gonna drop them off.
Okay.
And maybe do a
See
top
what it'll
speed
do.
run. Yeah, without the weight. See how much that actually affects it.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm sure it'll pick up.
I'm sure it'll be another mile an hour or two.
Oh, I don't even think it was cracking 40 when I had 4 people in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I bet it was going like 37, 38.
Damn.
She was slowed down. It was so heavy in the water.
Yeah.
Adding some time, you might do it with us in here.
So fuel pressure does
48.
fall a little bit.
Well, yeah, we don't have this. It's not sourced.
Oh, shit. Yeah. It's
Yeah, because it's 58 when you're cruising and it's 50 when we're full. So we're kind of battling that too.
Yeah. Just leave a little more correction in there.
Yeah, it's still got the 35.
Okay. Yeah, I forgot to put a line on that, so.
Okay.
As long as we have enough fuel at that 50 psi.
Yeah,
these
we do.
injectors should have plenty.
Yeah, we're
What was
fine.
the duty cycle?
27.
57?
27.
We got plenty of duty cycle.
Yeah. 5.9 milliseconds at that, so.
Okay.
Engine temp's only 90, so.
Yeah, it doesn't like to heat up.
Yeah, the
It'll
water,
sit
because
right
it's using the
under.
water here.
That's fine. I don't think it would be a bad idea to do what we said and try to direct more of that flow into the,
Exhaust.
since I felt that manifold is getting kind of hot, if we just increase that side and let the engine side cool down.
Yeah. I mean, we're only
Heat
going to
up.
be able to do so much.
Yeah, because
Yeah, but like see if it helps.
Yeah.
it definitely, yeah, like the engine will be happier with some temp in it.
Yeah, we were thinking about putting a ball valve and restricting the coolant going into the engine and then increasing the water going into
Yeah.
the turbo kit stuff to help
Yeah.
cool the turbo kit stuff more, but let the engine get more temp in it.
That's like Tom's is like a little valve, like a spigot,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and he just
That's probably what we'll
he
do.
dials that in.
Yep. Dial it into where we see the engine temp chilling at like 130 or something at least. It'll help it.
30, 140.
Well, we should make sure she still runs, huh?
All right.
You might need to work on that startup tune too.
Yeah, I was playing with it. I'll play with it again now. So
Start while you're holding on.
does sound rough. Scary rough, doesn't
I think it's just that thing trying to push the water out of the exhaust and choking it
it? Hold on real quick. Okay, I added some milliseconds to the start here.
We need to put one of those high crank starters on this one too.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. We're dialing. We're dialing. We're dialing. The difference there was from 14 degrees of timing to 18. Okay, 4 degrees of timing.
It would ever turn was without the poly. One day it hit like 4,800-ish. Okay. And then with the poly it would go like 4,600, 45, and now we're at 57. Okay. So we got another 1,000 RPM from that 5 PSI only, and some tuning. Yeah, that timing definitely did the trick there.
Yeah.
What's that?
It felt like it came in.
Yeah, you feel the power lay in way hard.
And if we, honestly, if we had a knock sensor, we could really go and find the right timing spot for the power.
Where it's still safe.
Yeah. So the idle still needs a thing though. Yeah, while you do this, I'm gonna mull over the log anyway.
Okay.
While we sit here.
It's fat.
And then when you let off, it's like.
Oh, really? I can't hear the flutter from over here, but the spool up sounds nuts.
Steven's got it right in his back too.
What? You hit 48 that time, so.
And the timing gave it another 400 RPM.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it
So,
was going about 54,
why-
55, and then it went to 57-ish, 58 almost.
Dead in the water at the moment. Yeah, the starter does sound a little weird. All right, I'm gonna try Smart Start and see if that'll help with the cranking here. See, we're trying to do this with the stock triggers, and they can be a little finicky. So inside the boat, he's just seeing 0 RPM, and it ain't gonna do nothing until it sees something.
The starter's done. It's just the starter spinning inside of itself, or like not coming out to engage.
Oh no. Oh, there it is, about to catch.
We have
We're not getting RPM.
No RPM.
I think the starter's bad.
Yeah. No.
Is it just not pushing all the way out onto the flywheel?
Built for a good time, not a long time. The rock stars.
If only you could jump start a boat. Or I mean
Eventually.
push start a boat.
Push start it. Yeah, if you could jump out and give it a little push.
Drop the clutch.